Hi everybody, I'm here today to show you how you can do your own maintenance. I'll try to make it as simple as possible. So basically you start by lifting using alcohol. This is the alcohol I normally use. You can use any alcohol solutions. You can use surgical spirit or 99% alcohol you can buy on the internet. So basically you're going to start lifting it off by spraying alcohol and wait for it to release. Never pull, because the systems are very sensitive, and also you may end up hurting yourself. See, it starts to release slowly. Do it very slowly. The second step for your maintenance, you should apply the C22 solvent, which is this one, as you can see. You apply it onto the piece thoroughly, and you're gonna have to wait it for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, you're gonna get a glossy magazine like this one, and you're going to start to do the slide, as I call it. Going to slowly, very carefully, going to slide, and all the residue, as you can see, all the residue will be on the paper. Then couldn't be easier, you just turn the page and your piece will get clean. But you have to wait for 5 minutes for the C22 to work. Then you're going to go all the way to the very front. Avoid the dark pages because some of the ink may transfer onto the piece. To clean your scalp, you're going to spray the C22 again onto your scalp and wait for 5 minutes. I had already applied, so it's quite clean. You can just wipe it off with some toilet paper or some cotton pads. There is another product that you can use if you want to make it easier to clean your skin, which is the Topsol. I'm just gonna put some on the cotton pad like this and start wiping off. Most of the residue will come out, you see? Residue is coming out. Now to wash your piece, I want to show you that it's very important that you only do it in one direction. Never mess it up, never rub it like that, okay? And then you're gonna use a normal shampoo. The one I'm using is this one, okay? But there is no special shampoo for you to use. And I just apply it to the front piece first, because it has to be very clean. You have to make sure it's proper clean. Be very delicate because this is very fine material. Okay, now I have washed the piece, as you can see, and I always use this poly head, but you can use your knee to put the piece on. Then I just pin it onto the head, and I use the tape for the front. So you can find many tapes on the market. This is my favorite one. You can find the boomerang ones, but it depends really on the shape of the piece. You can also find the super tape, but I personally prefer this one. Okay, so the process is very simple. In order to avoid the glue to get stuck into the scissors, I spray some alcohol on the scissors, and I just go. As you can see, I'm gonna have to cut that bit there. So you're pretty much going to go cutting around the tape so that you see the shape. Okay? Or you could fit that side as well. I'm just going to show you how I do that one. Show you how I do that one. This bit here doesn't have any glue to it, so you're just going to avoid any mistakes. I think you all can see what I'm doing here. You have to bring it to the very edge. Then, for the poly part, some people call it Paie. So for this part here at the back, you can use the tape or you can use the glue. These are my favorite ones. Some guys, some people have full lace pieces. Some people have full poly pieces. Some PU pieces. I personally prefer the front lace and the PU at the back. It makes it easier to attach and to clean up. Now that the piece has been placed, you're gonna need to get one of these paddle brushes, because you can style your piece without damaging the lace or the system. I want to show you the front, how it looks. Looks quite neat. Okay. Once more, thank you for watching. I hope you can manage to do your own maintenance from now on, if you need to. Thank you once more for watching.